Good news for the Indian traders. The options charts are now available on the TradingView. Let's see how this works. Right now I'm on the Nifty chart. If I click here and type the word Nifty, then, you can see the spot price chart mentioned here. Then, the futures chart is mentioned here. And then, you can see the option charts mentioned here. These charts are available for the National Stock Exchange of India only. So here you can see various Nifty option strike price charts of various expiries like March 21st and March 28th expiries. If I type Nifty in some price, like 22,000, then we can see all the call and put charts of 22,000 strike price of various expiries. I will click this chart. So this is what the option chart looks like. Here you can see the premium values. Similarly, you can see the Bank Nifty options. Similarly, you can see the option charts of stocks also. I have typed the name of the Reliance stock, so we can see the option charts of the Reliance here. Overall, it is a great update from the TradingView. But. There's a catch. I have opened a Nifty option chart here. And I have added an exponential moving average on the chart. It looks fine, right? Now, I have added a Bollinger Band strategy over the chart. But it does not work. It shows such an error. Then I added a MACD strategy to the chart. Again, it shows the same error and does not work. So in short, the indicators are working fine on these options charts. But the strategies are not working here. I don't know why. I hope the TradingView deals with this soon. But overall, having the options charts on the TradingView is a great step. I don't know if the option charts of any other country and any other exchange are available yet. So the National Stock Exchange of India seems to be the first mover in this regard. A big thanks to the NSE. So that's it. Thanks for watching.